guide, Mikayla.
What?
You got a guide.
Okay.
Grenade. Right flank.
We're hit. Can I still shoot?
No.
That was inside. Y'all are still clean. You're good to go.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
We're right behind you guys.
Okay. You're good. Keep going.
Okay, watch that left side. Yeah, I've got a lot left side.
Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Straight?
Yep.
Keep going.
Left.
Behind the box, the white box. Down. Over here.
Okay, you gotta keep going. You're gonna go left.
Am I good?
Left. Left. You're good. You're gonna go.
What?
Keep going right. Keep going. Little left.
Right.
Keep going right.
Right?
We
Right, yeah, right
keep
side.
straight. Go straight.
Straight.
Yep.
Two right.
Okay, go left.
We did?
We have a ID. We gotta stop here.
Stop.
Can I shoot now?
You shoot. You shoot. Come.
Yeah, I got charges up here. What's fast as that? One, Chris. I'm getting it. You should be fast as that. About halfway down that main trail there. I'm sitting at kilo just past.
Okay, that person right there, our person, behind the thing, the white. Nope.
Nope. But I can't kill them because they're too close.
Put him on it.
Yeah, that's a good call. You're good. Yeah, hold that position. You should be splitting the difference between the chopper and the starting ball. I got a mine up here, guys. Y'all got to disarm it before it can move.
I can see him, but I can't reach him.
All right, put it up. All right, the charge live. I'll move the charge. Go. Charge live.
We're good to go? Are people around us?
What?
Are the people around us?
Yeah. We got a guy to the left.
What?
We got a guy to the left of us. You're good. Keep going straight. Straight. Straighten out.
Right.
I can't reach that. Go a little to the right. going straight. You're gonna go a little to the left. You're going around a thing, so keep going straight. Stop. I can still shoot, right?
Are people around us?
No. We lost him. We just lost him. There's somebody to the left of us. We can find over there.
Left?
Ten feet.
Y'all moving up to the technical so I can move. Move up to the technical.
Keep going. Good job.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people on the bus and on that bus. There's people to the left.
What?
I don't want to kill the ref though.
Alright, right there. And keep moving. Good.
We're good. Keep going straight. We're hit. We're hit.
We're hit.
Yep.
Can't shoot 56.
Nah.
What hit us?
I don't know. What hit us?
Sir?
What hit us?
Oh, y'all had a guy here. You're still
We lost a guy.
Oh,
You just can't move.
Oh, we're still
Oh, we
alive.
can't move.
Yeah, you're still alive. You just can't move. You lost
Okay.
your support.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I thought we got
No,
shot.
you're
Yeah, I thought we got hit.
You just can't move. Y'all can still shoot.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, double kill. Good job. You got to walking back.
Yes. See him, right? Right here. See him, okay, right? Yeah, just watch.
Oh, he's still in. Are we good to go?
We don't have anybody by
Okay,
us.
gotcha. Roger.
Guys, y'all gotta move up. They can't move without y'all. Alright, move.
We're good.
We're good.
Oh, he did. Never
And
mind.
he's hit. Where did he get hit
Did
from?
we get back grenade?
I don't know. No, we lost him.
Okay.
We lost our support.
Go get somebody on that white van that'll help you.
We might have somebody.
Hey, where you got this white van?
Really got him.
Hey, gentlemen. Right about there.
Right here. Right
here?
here. Yep. Stop.
Here?
We got people behind the boat and we got people on these buses.
Yeah, I need them floating. Buddy, actually not.
Doing good. Move.
I'm on y'all. No wristband.
Yeah, y'all can move if you want.
We got him.
Get up further.
Is the ID down?
Yeah.
It's up here like 10 feet. But we got somebody to our side here. Oh. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Yep.
Alright, you got a mine in front, mine in front. You need 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
There's people on this.
5. Move it out the way.
People on this bus. We're good.
In front of us, there's people. I need a little cover.
Go a little left. There are no bands.
Move up with me, move up with me.
You good?
Alright.
We lost.
Y'all are still up, you just can't move. Alright guys, y'all can move.
We're good.
How am I doing?
You're good. Keep going. Little to the left. Little left. Good. Keep straighten out. Good. Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop.
Stop.
Still alive, you just can't move.
We're alive. We can't move.
In the wood line right here to the left. That little wood tree thing.
Where? Where
Little
you?
wooden like slat thing to your
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
There's a guy behind there still. He's alive.
Okay.
Alright, y'all got people behind you.
We're good. We're good.
I got turned right here, right?
Yep. Hard right.
Let him up.
Hard right.
How
Hard right. Hard right.
Watch my left for me, Gunner.
Yep. Straighten out. Yep. Straight. Straight.
Straight.
Keep her going straight. Keep going. You're good. Damn. Okay.
We're dead.
Yeah, I just got shot.
Thank you. I'm gonna stay with y'all until
We're dead.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Get non-wristbands to
16,
move up. Show them non-wristbands to move up.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
What's on my left?
28,
On your side.
What?
30,
What's
Yeah.
over there?
31,
I can see some.
33, 34,
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50,
10 seconds.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56,
57, 58, 59, 60.
I can't get through that.
Alright, go forward, Ken. We move
Yep.
forward.
Yep.
We have people around us.
Yep. He's next to us. Keep going. You're gonna keep going straight, and then you're gonna start turning left. We have an ID up there.
How soon left?
Start turning left. Left.
How hard?
You're good. Keep turning left. Yep. Straighten out.
Straighten out.
What's on my
A little
right?
bit left.
To the left.
Straighten
We're
out.
good.
And
Alright,
stop.
we're
We have
good.
ID.
IED up front. You gotta disarm it, boys. IED, you better get it.
Yeah, I know.
Hold it 5.
Right down here.
Caleb, can you get the gun backside of that thing?
Where?
Backside of the wooden thing?
The guy in there?
There's a gun behind it.
clear.
Go clear! Go, 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 go!
Good.
Stay with it, boys. I'm with ya.
You got someone else over the knee like that tonight!
Is this our team? Nope. Good.
Ref, watch out, Ref! You're on my line of fire! Move to the right!
Am I doing Kayla drive wise?
You're good. You're good. Left. Little left. You're good. Keep going straight.
Kayla. Got him, he's down. You're doing good, Kayla. You're doing good.
I can't get him.
Where's he at?
Behind that tree.
He's so cute. Oh, there he goes. You have to break out the MTW to get you. Nice job, guys.
Doing good, Kayla. Doing good. Keep it up. Right here, this little thing.
What?
A little crate circle thingy, water thing.
Hunker that side for me. I'll take care of this side.
See right there?
Where?
The little crate water thing. See the little orange barrel?
Oh, yeah.
Nav, if you will move to like the back of the stone at the end of the that'll get me about right. Destiny used to be about 20 yards up the trail from where you're at.
Is there an ID in front of us?
What?
Is there an ID in front of us?
No.
No.
I don't think so. We just don't have anybody with us.
You're right. You're right.
I need a player on this. It cannot move unless you're within 20 feet.
He's got his hand up.
Go. I can see.
Good hold over there, buddy. Nice job. Push it up. I need a player on this that can't move without y'all.
I got him.
You got him?
Mhm.
Good job, Kayla. Good job.
We got somebody. We got somebody. We're good.
We're good?
All right, you got a man on you.
We got all sorts of support now.
Moving.
We got him on! Sorry, I'm going for I thought I saw people go back.
On front, Kayla. See that sign?
What?
See that sign?
Where?
To the left of the pallet. Left of black pallet. You got him. You got him.
Little to the right.
Little right.
Little right. The tires to the left.
Say what?
Yep, you're good. You're going to keep going to the right.
Right.
Keep going right. Right. There's a big hole. Go right.
How hard right?
Go further right.
You good here? Straight?
Yeah, straighten out.
Yeah, guys, in the leaves.
Straighten out.
In the leaves.
Where?
In the leaves, right in front of you. Behind the little thing. Right there, yeah, right there. Are we good? We have people with Christmas?
Yep, there's a guy behind
Next
us.
to the leaves. Tell them that, Gil.
Keep going left. Keep going a little
You're right
left.
there, Gil.
What?
You're right. Hard right, hard right.
Over here, guys, behind.
Tell me when you see something.
We're dead.
Inbound.
Good.
Stay behind
down,
it.
60 seconds. Y'all are still
Stay behind it.
Y'all are still in there. Tanks down for 60 seconds.
There's one right up in front. Somebody watch my left.
Is this our team? Right here?
I'm gonna watch right,
Right
in
here?
front.
Right there, that's our team, yeah.
We're gonna get up to the fort, and that's gonna be our hardest.
They said that leaf is our team.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44.
Yeah, we did. We're stopped because of
Alan,
the grenade.
I need your
47,
BBs.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53.
5 seconds.
58, 59, 60. We're up. Are we gonna move? We have guys around us, Hill?
Yeah.
Right side.
We got like 5 of them. Left. Little. Sorry.
Did it go off? Did it go off?
Bro, it didn't go off.
It didn't go off.
Did it go off?
No.
One on the wall, behind the wall.
Are we good still?
We're good.
One on the right.
Are they dead?
Someone on my right. Watch my left.
Oh, we're gonna get hit.
Thanks down. 60 seconds, gentlemen.
1, 2,
Make sure you don't
3,
return the grenade.
4, 5, 6, 7. When they get too close, Mikayla, you switch to semi, okay?
What?
When they're this close, switch to semi, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37,
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43,
44, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 50,
Gavin, give me about halfway down this trail.
5, 6,
Destiny, you
7,
should be at the
58,
head of the
59,
next trail.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
Go back up.
Oh, yeah. With the
There are guys around us, Kale? We move.
Are we good?
You're fine. We're basically at Alabama.
guys
I'm
around?
trying to separate you and Gavin.
Nah, we lost all
We're
support.
stuck.
We gotta.
Copy on that. Scared. Where's y'all's timer at right now?
We're done, but we just don't have support.
Huh?
We're past the 60. We don't have support though.
Y'all are up though?
Yeah. Chandler, can you get that guy in front of us?
I'm trying.
Yeah!
You got him. Good job.
Hey, is there a friendly on the other side of your wall? No. Yeah. No. I even looked too. Alright, y'all can move.
We can move.
We can only go a little bit and then we gotta stop.
Okay, which way?
Keep going straight.
I got it.
Start curving to the left.
Left? How am I doing?
We're gonna have to stop.
Stop right here?
Alright, IED
Stop.
up front!
Yep.
IED up front!
Who wants to go first?
Need 5 seconds on
Right
this
there.
charge.
5 seconds. Here, hold this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move it out.
Alright.
Alright, y'all freed up?
Okay, now can you see? We're gonna go hard left through these
Move,
doors.
move.
Which way, Kale?
Keep going. You're gonna go hard. You're gonna start turning left. Hard left, hun. Keep going. Keep going left. You're good. Keep going left. Straighten out.
Straight?
Straighten out. Yep. Okay, you're good. Straight.
Straight?
Yep, we're good. Straight. You're good to keep going.
bro. Have a hand up.
Am I good to keep going?
Just slow down maybe a little.
Keep going?
Yep, you're good.
On our left.
going.
Heel.
Keep going. A little to the left, left, left. Keep going straight. Okay. Left.
Hard left.
Keep curving left around a curve.
How much left?
Now you're gonna turn. Keep more left.
More left?
More left. Yep. Okay. You good? Okay. Keep going.
Those are bad guys,
I
Caleb.
got too many mags
What?
left.
Those are all bad guys in front, Caleb. Get behind that black crate, second thing there.
Yep.
Start putting out the fire. Get that time. Oh, stop. First.
What?
First. Remember?
First?
First.
Oh, first.
How am I doing?
Left. Left.
Alright, John's being fired.
Stop.
Shot fired.
Are we all dead?
No, we're good.
Got a triangle on.
Oh, okay.
People in that plane.
Keep moving. Someone get on the right, someone get on the left. You need the first side.
To your right, Caleb. There's a bush there. See that bush? You got him. To the right. There you go. On the black side of that black thing. Left side.
Left up, left. Yep, you're good. Keep left. Straight.
How am I doing?
You're good. Keep going straight. Stop. Chandler, there's a guy down in here. I can't reach him. Love, he's in this thing.
Down, 60
We're
seconds.
down 60 seconds.
Down. Dead.
60 seconds, guys.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 50 seconds. You're doing good, Kayla. You're doing good.
Oh, okay, never mind. No, the cart says they can't move.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
You need help? Come on. Here, he's going to walk with you, okay?
45, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. We can move?
Are we good to go?
Moving?
Is that our team?
In the wood line, Caleb. In the wood line, right forward. First. Higher.
I don't know who's our team anymore.
Hey, good game. Knives out. Right, tags out. Perfect in the air.
What?
Perfect in the air. Alright, we're good.
Somebody drop an ammo bag.
That was a game.
Somebody drop an ammo bag.
You ready?
Yep.
That's fine. Alright.
Hey, I'm Chandler,
I'm Chase. I'm Craig.
And I'm Mikayla.
and thank you for watching the Airsoft video.